In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your video content using CapCut. If you're aiming for that professional look, especially if you're preparing videos for platforms like Instagram Stories or TikTok, this guide is just for you. We'll be adapting your video to a mobile-friendly format that's engaging and visually appealing. Let's kick things off by setting the canvas to a 9:16 ratio. This is essential because 9:16 is the standard vertical format that perfectly fits these platforms. You'll want your content to naturally fit within this frame for the best viewing experience. Once you have your canvas set, it's time to move on to adjusting your content. Now, if you have horizontal clips, the next step is crucial. You'll need to zoom and crop your video so it fits vertically within that 9:16 frame. This action will ensure that the most vital parts of your clip remain in focus, while removing any unnecessary distractions from the sides. By maintaining the essence of your original video, you tailor the viewing experience to captivate your audience right from the start. Alternatively, if you want to elevate your video's presentation, consider this technique. Duplicate the original clip and create a blurred background layer from that duplicate. Once that's done, center your original clip over this blurred background. This method not only adds depth to your video, but also draws the viewer's eye to the central subject of your content, making it both stylish and effective. Now that your video is set and framed perfectly, let's make it even more engaging by adding text or overlays. Utilize the top and bottom empty areas created by your crop or duplicate to include meaningful text. This is a great space for adding context or calls to action. Perhaps you'll include a catchy title at the top or engaging subtitles that highlight key points of your content at the bottom. Overlays can further enhance the visual appeal and keep viewers glued to your video. One of the pro tips here is to ensure that any text or graphics you add are in a font and size that are easily readable on mobile devices. You might also want to use contrasting colors to ensure everything stands out clearly against your video background. And there you have it. With these steps, you've transformed a standard horizontal video into a dynamic, vertical masterpiece that's perfectly suited for the digital age. By following this guide, you're well on your way to creating compelling content that resonates with your audience across various social media platforms. Thank you for joining today, and happy editing!